Graphic design templates are a handy tool to have in your back pocket. From logo templates to product mockups, templates can help take pressure off and allow you to easily create all sorts of content while ensuring your designs stay on brand. Here's our countdown for the 10 best graphic design templates for 2020. All items featured today are available on Envato Elements, a subscription-based service that gives you access to millions of digital creative assets. Streamline and enhance your creative projects with Photoshop Actions, Lightroom presets, stock photos, and more. Click the link in the description to try it out today. Number 10. Audrey CV and Resume by Vinira. No matter your industry, a clean and modern CV can be the difference between landing the interview and not. This template is ideal for refreshing your existing resume and giving it a professional look. We're sure the two-color scheme and modern layout will be a hit with your future employer. Number 9. Monochrome Instagram Post and Instagram Story by Danielle Dana. This highly versatile template is your best choice for achieving a polished social media presence while following the design ethos, less is more. With 10 post templates and 10 story templates, this pack makes it quick and easy to customize posts for promoting your brand, sharing inspirational quotes, or showing stunning photos. Number 8. Social Media Trends PowerPoint Template by SlideHack. With a great idea, it's important to have a presentation that will lift your delivery and drive home your key message. This template gives you the choice of 100 unique slides in both a light and dark scheme. All objects are fully editable with easy drag and drop functionality to replace or update images. Number 7. Letterpress Logo Mockup by Graphic Crew. A logo sets the tone and pace for your brand, and the Letterpress Logo Mockup gives you a perfect place to display it. This realistic template lets you take control of the shadows, highlights, and the background color. If you're looking to make a great first impression, this will do the trick. Number 6. Futurum Infographic by Andrew Crass. Infographics, when done well, can quickly and easily communicate even the most complex information. With Futurum, you'll have 23 options, all in a clean, futuristic style for creating cool presentations, print material, web design elements, or content for apps. If you're enjoying this countdown, give us a like so we can keep creating this kind of content. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to stay up to date with the latest videos. Number 5. Isometric iPhone by Graphic Gata. This Photoshop template features 4 ultra high resolution mockups with well-organized layers that make it super easy to change the color, design, and backgrounds. Use this item to showcase your social media posts or the mobile version of your site. Number 4. Business Card by Last40. It can be tricky to straddle the line between original and over the top when it comes to designing an eye-catching business card. This template manages to be bold and fun while still keeping it clean and professional. It's appropriate for personal branding, identity, corporate cards, or any other marketing purpose. Number 3. Creative Email Signature version 2 by Tell Lu. The humble email signature should never be overlooked or underestimated. This design template makes it super easy for your team to be in sync by presenting your brand in a coordinated and seamless way. The downloadable file comes with 4 multi-purpose templates with adjustable colors, image placement, and text. Number 2. Double Exposure Film Poster by Sediata Karyapatiwi. The old school flyer still has its place in marketing collateral, adding a touch of the nostalgic printed poster to your brand or event. The double exposure film poster is an especially good example, lending classic big screen hype to your flyer design. Just drop in your photos and use the layer masks to create stunning images in just a few clicks. Number 1. Pastel Social Media Pack by Motion Media Group. Fast-moving content is king on social media, and when you need to get your pages up and running quick smart, a template will be your best friend. This package includes 10 story and banner templates in pale shades of gray, green, pink, and gold that will take all the stress out of your social media design. And that's it for today. They are our 10 best graphic design templates for 2020. Which one was your favorite? Join the conversation and give us your answer in the comments down below. If you found our content useful, give us a like and hit the subscribe button to stay in the loop. Click the thumbnail on the screen now to stick around for more videos crafted especially for you. See you around!